हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन को स्टडी करते हैं। फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन, एडिशन और सिंथेसिस रिएक्शन। इन कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन टू आर मोर सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस एलिमेंट्स आर कंपाउंड्स combined to form a single more complex substance like A and B combined together to form a single substance AB. For example, carbon and oxygen gas combined together to form carbon dioxide gas. Daily life example of combination reaction is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide gas combine together to form a glucose. Second, decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, a single complex substance breaks down into two or more simpler substances. These often require an input of energy, heat, light, or electricity to break the bonds, like AB breaks down into A and B. For example, on heating, calcium carbonate breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Daily life example of decomposition reaction is breaking down of carbonic acid into water and carbon dioxide gas. In single displacement reaction, one element displaces an other element from a compound. This usually happens when a more reactive element kick out a less reactive element, like A and B. C reacts to form A, C and B. For example, sodium and water reacts together to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Sodium displaces the hydrogen in water and forms sodium hydroxide because sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. Daily life example of this reaction is table salt that we use in our daily life. Calcium chloride and sodium reacts together to form NaCl. Sodium is more reactive than calcium, so it replaces the calcium and forms sodium chloride. In double displacement reaction, the positive ions and the negative ions of two different ionic compounds switch places to form two new compounds. These reactions often occur in aqueous solution and can lead to the formation of a precipitate, a gas or water, like A, B and C. D combine together to form AD and CB. For example, silver nitrate and sodium chloride reacts together to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Silver chloride is an insoluble solid that precipitate out, so this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction or neutralization reaction. In neutralization, acid and base reacts together to form salt and water. Daily life example of this reaction is toothpaste that basic in nature and over mouth has bacteria that produce acids. Acids are neutralized by the base that present in the toothpaste. In combustion reaction, oxygen react with other compound to produce light and energy. Combustion reactions are exothermic reactions. In complete combustion, plentiful supply of oxygen is provided, like methane react with oxygen to produce water and carbon dioxide gas. In incomplete combustion, limited supply of oxygen is provided, like methane react with oxygen to produce water, carbon monoxide and carbon. Daily life example of this reaction is burning of petrol in car's engine. The redox reaction involves a transfer of electron between two species, like A convert into A positive by lose electron. The substance that lose electron undergoes oxidation and known as reducing agent. B convert into B negative by gain electron. The substance that gain electron undergoes reduction and known as oxidizing agent. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Oxidation state लिखते हैं, magnesium convert from 0 to +2 by lose 2 electron. Oxygen convert from 0 to -2 by gain 2 electrons. Daily life example of this reaction is rusting of iron. If you like this video, follow this account for more videos.